You live and you learn, you paint and you learn, you pay for a lot of painters and learn. Hey guys, what's up? It's Lauren and welcome back to my channel. So I am not even entirely sure where to start on this office makeover video. Obviously the office is done at this point, but I've kind of separated it down into about 4 or 5 different stages, and trust me, no one is more annoyed at me than me. There were so many unnecessary steps that I took to get to an office that I love. And like, do I think that you should go with your gut feeling and love the space you work in? Yes. Do I think that it's okay for it to take 4 to 5 times? No! What is wrong with me? Anyways, I have footage documenting this whole process all the way back to May 7th. May, June, July, August, 4 months. 4 months! I'm not even sure how the edit of this video is gonna go down because there are, again, so many stages. But here's how I've broken it down. Stage 1 was obviously when Mr. Kate and Joey came over and they flipped the office for Alex and I. It was very split. It was probably the coolest room that I had in my house / will ever have in my house. But obviously with the breakup, stage 2 came where I tried to balance the split room that was obviously designed for the functionality of 2 people into 1 person. And so that was probably the toughest and like the most out of sorts the office was ever, because it's just like really difficult to make that work. I can always immediately tell how much I truly love a room and the decor and the design, the layout, the functionality, the feng shui, by how much I use it. And I did not step foot in that room because it messed with my juju. It gave me all the bad jujus and we wasn't here for it. So stage 3 was matching the blue side to the pink side. Mr. Kate did some amazing custom wallpaper in the paneling on this wall right here, and I was dying to keep it. I was trying so hard to make it work. And my game plan was that if I could match the blue wall to the pink wall on the opposite side, I could balance out the wallpaper with some wall art in those same panels. It didn't work. Your girl did not spend time in the room, but I have a bunch of footage of that process, so let's roll it. So I'm in the process of moving all the furniture into the middle because I have a painter coming tomorrow. We're gonna match the blue side to the pink side, so no more blue, and we're gonna do the ceiling white because I feel like it'll make the space feel a little bit bigger if there's no color on the ceiling. But I really want to keep the custom wallpaper that Mr. K did for me because it's literally so beautiful. So no custom wallpaper obviously on the other side. I almost considered doing the whole thing white and then figuring out a way to keep the wallpaper, but I think the pink is actually really cute and it's a light pink, so it's not too heavy or in your face. This is staying. I don't really know if he has to take all this stuff down to like paint the ceiling and stuff, so we'll figure that out tomorrow. This is gonna end up being on that wall, actually originally where it used to be. I'm gonna do a coffee table in the middle with a whole bunch of sitting pillows around it. I ordered a really cute just like white and grayish rug, and then I haven't fully figured out what I want to do with the desk, but it'll definitely be on this side of the room. And then not sure if these are gonna stay or like what kind of storage stuff is gonna stay. That's definitely staying. That chair, not the bag of mooses. But yeah, that's the progress as of right now, and I'm so excited for this to like get going. I decided that I wanted to do it, and then like 2 days later a painter was available and I was like, oh my god, it's happening right now. I will give you guys a progress update as soon as it's painted. Hi guys, coming at you a few days later with a bit of a progress update. You can already see there is white ceiling happening-ish. They did the primer and then the first few layers today. This wall is half pink, half primed, half ready to be the same pink. Whee! So exciting. Day 2 tomorrow of painting, and then that's literally it. That made it sound like I'm painting it. I just want to clarify that I hired professionals to paint. But yeah, see you tomorrow. Hi guys, an office update. The painting is officially done and my rug just got here, so I'm gonna put some more stuff together. I actually moved the desk and a shelf over to the sides too, so it's like starting to look more like a real room, which is so exciting. Here is like the original pink wall. The white ceiling made such a big freaking difference. Like I knew I was gonna like the ceiling white, but like I like it so much. And then other side of the room is wha-bam! Pink! It's so cute! So obviously I can't replicate the Mr. Kate wallpaper, but I'm gonna go ham on the wall decor on this side. And also I think it might might be too much to have that wallpaper on both sides, so I know it's a little unbalanced, but it's okay. So here is what we are working with right now. This is still chilling. There is the desk. I moved that shelf over there. There is Mews. And then the peacock chair is in that corner now. This shelf is gonna go up against here. There's still just like junk everywhere, but we are coming along, and I just got the rug, so I'm gonna go ahead and lay that down right now. Also, Moose, I feel like you are not about to be an asset for the rug laying process. I love you, but I just foresee this not going well. Oh my gosh, rug down. It's so large. Oh my gosh, it's like a little larger than I remember, but I think I like it. Neutral was definitely the move. I also just ordered 4 different poofs to go around my little coffee table, but those won't be coming for another week and a half or so. So we'll probably see you guys in a few days for my next edition. Oh wait, let me put the coffee table in place. Oh my gosh, okay, this is what it looks like. Moose, what are you doing? Moose. Oh my goodness, is this a new rug? Moose usually freaks out when I get a new rug. I'm surprised he's not smashing his face into it. Oh my goodness. Oh, I'm Moosey's sit of approval. Uh-oh, here we go, here we go. Moose. This is exactly what I was waiting for. He literally does this anytime I get a new rug, is that he has to like rub his scent all over it or something. I don't know what the plan is, but wow, wow, wow. Very good, very good, very good. Oh my God. Good sploot, A+ sploot. Wow, okay, well, we'll be here whenever you're done, Moose, you know. Just saying. And now we arrive at stage 4, the final stage, making the room white again. The worst part is that this is the color that the room started as. White. And you know what? Deep down in my heart, I know that I like all of my walls just to be clean and white and bright. It's the best for filming. It doesn't cast a weird hue on all your footage. I know that, and I don't know why I thought that I could make the pink work. I really, really, truly in my heart wanted to hold on to as much of the Mr. K design as I could, but I rolled the footage. Okay, so I'm not entirely sure how to go about this, so I'm just gonna... The walls are white now! Oh my gosh, guys. Okay, so this has been a journey and a half. Here's what happened. I got the pink finish. I bought some of that stuff from like Home Goods. We did that video where you guys helped me pick out some furniture, which is all still here, by the way. It's just the walls. Just the walls, just the walls. And I think I wanted to make the pink and the wallpaper that Mr. Kate had hand painted me work. I wanted to make it work so bad, and I wanted to be able to salvage that half of the room and just be able to balance it out with another pink wall. But it just, I couldn't do it. I literally just couldn't do it. I tried so hard. I made different like mood boards of what the room could look like if I got new furniture, and I just couldn't do it. I think I also just don't have a lot of experience decorating a room that has colored walls. This room also on the second half of the day gets just absolutely blasted with sunlight. And so with the walls being pink and the sunlight, the room was entirely orange, so it'd be completely not functional for filming and just like was not a good vibe for even just working in here. So here we are with white walls, the exact same walls that I had before I paid a whole bunch of money to have it painted pink and blue, and then pink and pink, and now white. I wanted to do this just one time, I mean, well, 3 times, but I wanted to just do this office makeover one time and do it right. And I have a super affordable painter, so it didn't end up being extravagant. Obviously, having it painted twice is not ideal, but I'm so genuinely happy with it right now. So it was definitely the right decision. I have ordered a few new pieces and I'm so in love with it already. I've got a bunch more coming still, and I'm so sad because the chandelier that I ordered is not coming for another 2 to 3 weeks. So this video is literally gonna be filmed over the span of like 3 months or something crazy. But I did get a new couch, which is right here, and it looks so freaking good, and a new coffee table, a side table. It's gonna be so much more functional because I realized that like, yes, I am a floor worker, but I also like working on the couch. And so if I really want to move my workspace over to this room, there needs to be a couch in here. So anyways, I've got all the stuff back in here now that the paint is dry. I've got to like, you know, organize and get all the stuff out of my garage. So it's back in the office and we're gonna kind of feel out some placements of stuff. More decor coming and final reveal, hopefully coming soon. Longest room makeover of my life. Oh my goodness. Oh my gosh, okay, we've truly come so far. Okay, so here's a little mini tour right now. So this corner is like a TBD, not entirely sure what's gonna happen over here. The couch. Oh my goodness, is this the resident couch potato? Oh my goodness. Oh, sorry, go back to sleep. Go back to sleep, go back to sleep. So here's the couch, and this is from a website called Article, and oh my gosh, I wanted something that was super deep so that I could also do that, aka nap. And then I ordered these really cute 5 rattan mirrors. They're like all different, they're kind of like sunbursty, so they're gonna go scattered across those 2 like panels right there. The table, my little pool, and then on this side we've got the desk, some plants, a candle holder that you guys chose from HomeGoods, the super comfy like cloudy chair, and then over here I've got these drawers. So there's this corner, there's the DIY little trunk, my printer, which is so ugly, but it has to go somewhere because that's just like an office staple. I think I'm gonna take the stickers off of my computer because they've been there for literally years and years. I'm so obsessed with this freaking coffee table. There's a matching side table. It was so affordable and just from Target, which I'm so stoked about. And then there's the peacock chair that I was able to keep from the Mr. Kate flip. And then a little body that I actually just use when I wanna like pose clothes for Poshmark on something. And then the little ottoman that you guys picked out. And I also have all of these photo backdrops up here, which are great, but those hanging down things were so ugly, so I just took them off until I have to use the photo backdrops. Oh my gosh, I'm so happy with it so far. It's got such a better vibe. I think that's it for the update of today. Still waiting on the chandelier, which is so cute and like a cream tassel-y type of design. I'm still waiting on the decor for above the couch, but we're getting so close. Okay, so I forgot I have one last thing, or more like 3 more things to hang up. I've got some hanging plants. I've never drilled into the ceiling before. So please enjoy the next few minutes of my struggle. That was terrible. That was
Hold on.
Fresh air. Fresh air. My arm. It's so nasty. That's gross. This is harder than anything I've done in this room so far. Ah! Man. Thanks.
You're welcome.
You live and you learn, you paint and you learn, you pay for a lot of painters and learn. So yeah, anyways, without further ado, my office is officially done 4 months later, almost even like 2 years later, because this was the first room decorated in the house. So 2 years later, without further ado, welcome to my office that I love and spend time in and I'm so happy with. So essentially my game plan was the base of the room to be very like white and boho, and the textures to be like wicker and rattan and gold with beiges and fringes. Very like boho, which you guys know is kind of my go-to style. And I was trying so hard to keep it pretty minimal because I feel like when I work in here, I don't like it to be too overcrowded or too bright in your face for like optimal focusing, because I already have a hard enough time focusing, you know, without a whole bunch of colors screaming at you. But I did manage to squeeze in a little bit of light pink within the pillows, the puffs, the poofs, the puffs. the ottomans, some of the wall art, and then some of the small desk accessories. I also have had my 1 million subscriber laurDIY plaque literally sitting in a closet for so long since I've moved to this house, so I'm so excited to finally have a spot to display it, because guys, like, that is us. That is like us accomplishing crazy big things in the form of a really large and aggressively heavy plaque. The other major component to this room that I could not come to terms with for the longest time was that I am a couch worker. No matter how cute, how tidy, how amazing, how many accessories are on a desk, I will not work at a desk. I just won't do it. I don't know why. It's just like not in my bones. I had to have a couch that was comfier and in a better spot than my living room couch to motivate me to take my little potato booty off of my living room couch and come to the office. And it has been A+ so far. I was also still able to work in a lot of the Mr. Kate accessories, so some of her original artwork is still here, the peacock chair is still here, the original desk and chair is still here, and then I actually had you guys pick out a bunch of decor in a past video, and you'll see a lot of those popping up within the room as well. So I hope you guys enjoyed this freaking 4-part transformation. Oh my gosh, I am so annoyed with myself. I am the worst. Like, I am the worst. That took forever, and I'm so sorry. You guys have been tweeting me like pretty incessantly asking for the final office reveal, because I've always been like, 2 weeks, couple weeks, coming soon, coming right at ya, and then it just never came. But we are here today and I'm so excited. I hope you guys enjoyed it. I'll try and leave as much info as I can about some of the bigger pieces in the description box below. And if you haven't seen the guest bedroom flip I also did maybe about a month or so ago, along with the laurDIY bedding launch, I'll have that link in the down bar below as well. And oh my gosh, I'm having a freaking LA meet and greet. I've never done one in LA before, so I'm super excited. Come hang out with me at the Forever 21 at the Montebello Town Center on September 7th. I'll have all the details in the description box. We're celebrating the laurDIY stationery launch, so come hang out with me. I will be there for 2 hours to hug your faces and take some selfies and pet your stuffies. I feel like I'm the only YouTuber that's like, yo, bring your stuffies, I'll hug your stuffies. Anyways, hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you haven't seen last Wednesday's vlog, that'll be linked in the down bar below. And I will see you guys on Wednesday for another weekly vlog, and again on Sunday for another Sunday. Okay, bye guys, love you.
My pretty little kingdom out here running.